Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish reclaimed wood projects ideas for outdoor living and garden glow-up. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's world, where design trends meet eco-conscious living, the concept of a garden glow-up through stylish reclaimed wood projects has become more than just a passing idea. It's a lasting evolution in how we imagine and inhabit our environments. Outdoor living, once seen as a simple extension of the home, has now become a stage for creativity, sustainability, and a reconnection with nature, and reclaimed wood has emerged as the star material in this transformation. At its core, reclaimed wood carries with it a history, a lived character that makes every piece unique, and when used in outdoor decor, it doesn't just beautify the space, but tells a story of renewal, of care, and of forward-thinking design. The shift is remarkable. People are no longer satisfied with mass-produced patio sets or plastic decor that fades over time, but are seeking lasting beauty, authenticity, and harmony with the natural world. Reclaimed wood offers all of that and more, creating stylish, durable, and versatile outdoor projects that elevate gardens, patios, and courtyards into sanctuaries. This evolution isn't only aesthetic, but also philosophical, as these outdoor decor choices reflect a broader commitment to sustainable living, mindful consumption, and artistry rooted in functionality. What makes reclaimed wood so compelling for outdoor living is its ability to bridge the past with the present. Each board may have once been part of a barn, a warehouse, or even a family home, and now, with care and creativity, it finds a second life as a bench, planter box, pergola, or decorative wall feature in a garden. This sense of rebirth mirrors the evolution in how we approach our homes and outdoor spaces. Rather than discarding what is old, we reshape it into something fresh, stylish, and purposeful. There is an undeniable charm in knowing that the furniture on your patio or the accents in your garden have weathered storms before, only to stand resilient and beautiful again in a new form. This durability is matched by an aesthetic versatility. Reclaimed wood complements modern minimalist gardens just as well as it enhances rustic, bohemian, or classic outdoor designs. Its naturally aged textures, varying tones, and organic imperfections make each project a statement piece that feels alive, warm, and inviting. Outdoor decor with reclaimed wood also sparks a deeper dialogue between humans and their environments. By choosing to integrate reclaimed materials into our gardens and yards, we align ourselves with a movement that values both innovation and conservation. It's a quiet yet powerful rebellion against the culture of overconsumption, where instead of buying synthetic, short-lived decor items, we invest our time and creativity in crafting something with integrity. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. A reclaimed wood pergola draped with climbing plants not only creates shade and comfort, but also symbolizes a thoughtful relationship between material and environment. A set of reclaimed wood planters lining a walkway transforms not just the look of a space, but also its feel, making it more grounded, natural, and intentional. These aren't just projects. They're personal declarations of values, of choosing sustainability without sacrificing style, of embracing character over perfection, and of crafting a living environment that feels both timeless and deeply personal. Furthermore, the popularity of reclaimed wood in outdoor decor demonstrates a wider cultural shift in how we view our homes and gardens. Outdoor spaces are no longer secondary, but are treated as extensions of living rooms, dining areas, or art studios, and reclaimed wood projects embody this philosophy of integration. A dining table made from salvaged planks set under the open sky becomes not just a functional piece, but the heart of countless memories shared with family and friends. A reclaimed wood privacy screen, designed with artistic flair, transforms a simple patio into an intimate sanctuary where conversations, laughter, and reflection thrive. These pieces hold emotional weight, offering more than mere utility. They offer connection, grounding us in the moment and reminding us of the natural cycles of renewal and growth mirrored in the materials themselves. The beauty of reclaimed wood projects for outdoor living is also in their accessibility. Unlike overly polished or technically complex woodworking endeavors, reclaimed wood invites experimentation, even from beginners. Its imperfections, knots, grain variations, weathered edges are not flaws to be hidden but features to be celebrated, making each creation unique and forgiving of small mistakes. This makes outdoor decor projects with reclaimed wood not only artistically fulfilling, but also financially accessible, as the raw materials can often be sourced affordably from demolition sites, salvage yards, or even personal leftovers from past renovations. For many makers, this accessibility fuels entrepreneurial opportunities, as stylish reclaimed wood garden furniture, decor, and structures are highly sought after in today's market. By crafting with reclaimed wood, creators can meet the growing demand for eco-friendly, meaningful home and garden products, turning passion into both sustainable design and profitable ventures. Ultimately, the movement towards stylish reclaimed wood projects in outdoor living is about more than just aesthetics or functionality. It's about reimagining how we live with nature and how we express our values through design. A garden glow-up made with reclaimed wood is not simply about beautifying a space. It's about crafting an environment that reflects thoughtfulness, creativity, and responsibility. It's about understanding that the pieces we choose to surround ourselves with carry stories, and that by choosing reclaimed wood, we are adding our own story to an ongoing narrative of renewal and sustainability. In this sense, every reclaimed wood outdoor project becomes more than an object. It becomes a piece of a larger movement toward living more consciously and beautifully. The lasting evolution here is not just in materials or design trends, but in mindset, a recognition that through something as simple as crafting with reclaimed wood, we can reshape our environments, honor our connection with nature, and create spaces that inspire joy, comfort, and belonging for generations to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish reclaimed wood projects ideas for outdoor living and garden glow-up. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.